Hello guys, you're on vrm24.com YouTube channel, and today we will repair the Samsung Galaxy A32. Our malfunction has the two symptoms. The smartphone is charging slowly or a charging error message appears. We have already encountered such a problem several times, and the cause of the malfunction is not the charging connector, and not the subboard, and not even the interboard cable connector on the motherboard, but decay of the charging detector contacts due to liquid penetration on the motherboard. Let's determine and confirm the problem. To the left of the interboard cable connector on the motherboard, there are 2 points where the charge detector pins D+ and D- go. We detach the motherboard. After a visual inspection, it is clear that there is a damage on the motherboard. So the contacts are damaged too and go quite deep into the inner layer of the printed circuit board. Let's move on to repair. We take a sharp scalpel and begin to carefully remove the top layer of the circuit board to get to the damaged contacts. This picture is not our working board, but on which we cleared the layer where the tracks go, so that you can better understand their location. On our motherboard we apply a little ultraviolet solder mask, aka UV photosensitive inks, between the tracks we are going to restore, so as not to accidentally short the neighboring ones. We make bridges, jumpers between the contacts with a thin copper wire, thereby restoring the contacts. We apply an ultraviolet solder mask to the part of the motherboard that has been repaired. Then we pass it with an ultraviolet lamp and it hardens, thereby closing the damaged contacts and straightening the new jumpers. We assemble the smartphone back and check the charging. Okay, it is charging. Repair went well. Thank you for watching and see you around.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself, and until the next video.